Alright, so we're going to do fried green tomatoes. It's just me and my husband, so we're only going to do one. So I have one green tomato that I'm going to slice up nice and thin. And I'm going to show you how I'm going to fry them up and batter them. Alright, so I got my tomatoes cut up to the size that I like. I like them like about like that. Maybe a little thinner. But that's how I like them. So what we're going to do, I put some oil on the stove, just a little bit, enough to maybe cover it up. And I'm just going to go ahead and season them with some salt and pepper. Alright, so I have a half a cup of flour. I'm going to go ahead and put that in there. Alright, and 1 full cup of yellow cornmeal. I'll put those two in there. Alright, so I have me some Lori seasoning salt. I'm going to put that in there. And some more black pepper. And some Parsley Flakes. This is just pretty much just because I just like the way it looks once it fries on there. It really doesn't affect the taste. So I'm just going to go ahead and mix this up pretty good. Okay, I did season those tomatoes with some salt and pepper, just regular salt and pepper, nothing special. Alright, so I put a little bit of paprika in my flour cornmeal batter just for the color. But you want to have, I'm about to start frying them up, but you want to have your plate lined with some paper towels because they fry up pretty quick to get that grease out of it as much as possible. So I'm just going to go ahead and coat one of these. Put in my grease and it's frying up pretty good because you want your grease to be nice and hot because it'll absorb all that grease if you don't, or oil, if you don't make sure it's nice and hot. You get it dressed, so I'm just going to go ahead and fry them up and then let you see what it looks like. Alright, I got my first two out. I'm moving around. I only can do like 3 at a time because I got a small skillet. Doing 3 more here. Alright, I am done with my fried green tomatoes. I did line, like when I put the second batch out, I put another paper towel lining right over it to get some of the grease out, and then I took it off after it drained. But these are my fried green tomatoes. They look lovely, and they taste just as good as they look. If you like what you're seeing, go ahead and like and subscribe to my channel, Hudson's Food Services. I have more recipes to come. Thank you.